Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a brass number 5 petrol lighter. This particular lighter is engraved with the initials GBB. On one side and then brass number 5 on the other. Shows plenty of wear, patina, scuffs, scratches, dings. Very slight in the amount of space it would take up thickness wise in your pocket. Maybe a little bit taller than some other lighters, some of the slim lighters, but definitely more narrow. I am a little bit confused about these lighters because when you see them, there are numbers associated as the brass number 5. You see brass number 3, brass number 6. I've seen questions online if the 5 is more rare than the 6. I don't know. There's also a lot of them that have advertising of either Marlboro or Camel cigarettes. The Toledo Bin website has a lighter listed as the Orlick number 5 that I can't remember exactly the wording, but seems like it wasn't a certainty, but Frank Dutton believed that it was the Orlick number 5 that was the basis for the, what he says on there is the, I believe, the brass number 5 Marlboro and Camel lighters of the 90s. And so the reason I'm confused is when I looked this one up online, I haven't had that many of these, and when I looked this one up online, or started looking at the brass number 5, I don't find any with the Camel or Marlboro advertising. I think it's the number 6, brass number 6, that are so prevalent with the Marlboro and Camel advertising. But anyway, what I found was a couple other company names that didn't make sense to me. I don't even remember what they were now. So I think maybe at times maybe it's a patent that's expired so other companies can just make it. I don't know. I'm not sure when they were made exactly, um, or even exactly why. As I said, this doesn't have tobacco advertising on it, but that doesn't mean it wasn't a promotion to go along with the purchase of a tobacco product. But anyway, around it, where I saw some online that were in branded boxes that weren't tobacco or Orlick. This one, I don't know. It was just in a lot of lighters that I bought, and so its origin or purpose that it was made for, I am ignorant of. All I know is that it says brass number 5. So this lighter is actually marked Smokestone Japan. Smokestone was that name I saw the boxes of online. I don't know much about brass, but I guess maybe it's just solder or whatever that is used to connect to that. But that has a silverish tone under that. I assume when you say brass number 5 that it's solid brass, but I don't know. Maybe that was just a name. If you know, you can comment below the video. If you like watching videos about old Petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconista, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. So if you just like carrying a petrol lighter just to have it handy, if you need to light a cigarette on a regular occasion but you don't have room for a lot of space to carry, this would definitely fit in a watch pocket without much worrying about leakage. You're gonna have to check it on a regular basis because that doesn't carry much fuel. But if you check it at least every day or two, and you know, it could be a daily carry lighter for somebody, and really not a badly designed one. Very easy to use. You just can't flip the lid off with one hand and then close it again. But you can always blow it out. Until next time.